Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new house owner to your August app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that someone's moving in with you and you want to go ahead and add them as a house owner so that they can actually go ahead and adjust the August app settings and use the August app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up the app. Next, you want to click on your home. Next, you want to click on the gear icon on the settings button on the bottom right hand corner. Next, you want to click on edit house owners. And so this is where you want to go ahead and checkbox the individual who you want to add as a house owner. Now, one really important thing to do is that you want to make sure that you actually invite someone. So in order to do that, all you've got to do is click on the profile icon here and then click on invite underneath guest list. So you can invite someone via the mobile number or via a contact. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a homeowner to your August app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.